Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading messages from your person. So, how your person is feeling, what are they going through, how they feel about you, and what they want to say to you. This is the love messages also as you requested, friends. So, make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot, friends, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com and make sure to subscribe, like, and share, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. At the end of every month, one random subscriber will be selected for a free reading, friends. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and supporting our humble work. And today's choices are super cute. So let's take a deep breath. Are you ready to start? I am. So let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number one, this beautiful starfish. Option number two, the very cute owl. Option number three, the cat. Relax, take a deep breath and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section. So you can directly go there and choose your option. You can also choose more than one pile. That's also perfectly fine. So let's see. Pile number 1. Those who chose the starfish. Wow, you feel like star-crossed lovers, this person and you. Pile number 1. Starfish is also like something very magical, something very, it has a transformation, they can regenerate, starfishes can regenerate. So I feel this is a very powerful connection for some of you. Those who chose option 1, this is your advice, this is your oracle messages, extra messages, more extra oracle cards. We're gonna look at them one by one. Let's see what is the message from your person, what they want to say to you. Let's see that. Wow, 9 of Swords. Your person is feeling very, very anxious regarding this situation. They are having a lot of sleepless nights. They are, if they hurted you, they are not happy about it. If they are in no contact, sorry friends, if they are in no contact, they are completely suffering, and they are not happy about it. If this separation, your person is not feeling happy or content with it. Also, this person feels like in self isolation. I don't know why it feels like this person is trying to isolate themselves from everybody, or they feel like they are isolated from everybody. So they are crying over you. That's what they want to tell you. This person is crying over our viewers. The moon, this is a very passionate connection. This person constantly dreams about you. They are dreaming about you, they are thinking about you, they miss you, they want to talk to you, they want to reach out, make love to you. But somewhere this person is like, nope, they are in separation. I want to be alone, I want to be there. Somewhere a lot is happening in this connection, but behind the scenes rather than in the on the surface. A lot is happening behind the scenes. Your person is maybe a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel they think about you a lot. They are thinking about you a lot. They are obsessed with you also. What else? 7 of Cups. Yeah, your person wants to make a decision, but they are very confused. They have a lot of thoughts. I feel like this person keeps thinking on and on, on and on. They keep going in cycles, in loops. That is why they are like, I should call, I should write, I should text, I should get back in touch. But they keep thinking instead of taking action. This person is very addicted to you, friends. Very addicted. And they are having a tough time. Also, they have a lot of worries at the moment. Your person is going through a lot of choices. They have like, work is important, love is important. They don't know which one to prioritize at the moment, which one to choose. Too much thinking. This person is thinking a lot. about you, about this connection, about what happened. They are like, I could have done that, it would not have gone bad, I could have said that, we could have done this, I could have done it better, so they are thinking a lot. Two of Swords, yeah, this person is stuck, absolutely stuck in an indecision. They want to move towards you, but they are stuck. They want to tell you that they love you, but they are still stuck in indecision, in inaction. This person is like, they think a lot rather than act a lot. So they are like stuck. And if you are in separation, they want to tell you it's not over for them. It's not over for them. They still think about you. They haven't forgotten you. The King of Swords. You or your person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Or I feel your person is a little scared of you, our viewers, because they feel like, you are very powerful. If they come back, you will really ask them some tough questions. And they don't have answers to that. So your person is a bit scared of our viewers. And they are also scared of your confidence. You are confident, this person is nervous. If this is a crush, they are nervous, they are scared of you. They have cold feet, butterflies in their tummy. It's like when you see a starfish, you get like, ooh, there's a starfish, but you get scared. Oh, it's a starfish, should I touch it? Oh, no, 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 no. So that's how they feel. The King of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, your person could be. Or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Very strong Pisces and Scorpio energy. You, our viewers, could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This person is also trying to tell you that they are pretending well. They are pretending that they are very busy in their work, and also like they have forgotten you, but they haven't forgotten you. They are trying to manage their work. They are very busy at their work. Also, this person wants to be at your level. They want to be your equal match. Somewhere right now they feel like they are not your equal match. Maybe you are financially more strong, they are more you are more confident, they are not. So they want to be an equal match for you. They are working on it. That's what they want to tell you. They are working on it. They are working on building their confidence, on building their mansion, on building their empire, their financial security, so they can come towards you. Ace of Swords. This person wants a breakthrough with you. Absolutely. They want a breakthrough, a fresh start. They want to they want to remove everything that stands between you and them. They want to be with you. Why? Because they see that you are extremely hot, you are extremely spicy. This person is like, they see you and they are like, wow, this is the diva, this is the hunk I want. They like your passion. You are very passionate, our viewers. You are very committed. You are very focused. And all this person isn't. They are all over the place. Look at them. Nine of Swords, Moon, the Seven of Cups, the Two of Swords. You know what you want and you get it. This person is like, I'm confused. I'm confused. And I'm sorry for it. The Knight of Cups, this person wants to message you, friends. They are trying to get the confidence to reach out to you. I do feel if this is a new person or a new crush or someone that you has friend zoned or someone you work with, they are trying to gain some confidence to reach out to you. Whoever this person is, they want to offer you love. They want to be with you. They want to tell you how much they like you. They want to show their care, their affection, their love, because they are stuck on you. They can't live without you. Two of Pentacles. I feel this is a long distance relationship for some of you. You haven't met this person since a long time. I also feel that your person feels you are very busy or you have other options in life. So maybe if they come, you will not accept them. Or you feel this person has other options. But I feel your person feels like, you are very, you both are very busy. So they are waiting for the right time to approach you or message you. Eight of Wands, definitely they want to call you, they want to talk to you, and I see in the next 2 days or 8 days there will be some communications or some messages coming from this person. They have a lot to say. This person is like when they come and talk to you, they're gonna like shoot off, like you won't have any time to say anything because you will have to listen. They have a lot on their mind to say, and I feel if this is a long distance relationship, they want to travel towards you and sit and talk in front, face to face. So let us see how this person is actually feeling currently about this, what they want to do about this relationship. Friendship. I understand that a friend in my life is for a reason. Yeah, they want to be your friend. If you can't be a lover for them or if you can't be anything else, they definitely want to be your friend. And possibly this person is friend zoned, so they want something more than friendship. Or they are a new person, so they want to know you better. They want to be, your friend, your best buddy. So definitely they want friendship with you. They want to be together with you. They just can't live without you. So what they want to do, what is their future actions? Building blocks, number 28. This person wants to build a solid foundation with you in this connection. And they are also working to improve their life so they can be an equal match for you. They are busy working on their career. If they are feeling anxiety, depression, they are trying to heal it. They are trying to be mature. All that glitters, number 16. A person is trying to, focus on the more important things in life. I think this person is like money was important to them, or, this person hides their love. They are trying to get out of that situation. They hide that they love you. They hide that they, I think they want you. They have a lot of mask. They are trying to self protect, but it's all a fake, it's all a mask. What they really want is they want to be your friend, they want to be with you, they want to support you, nurture you, care for you, be with you, make love to you. So all these masks, they want to just remove them and come towards you. So let's see some advice for you. Let's take some other extra messages if there are any messages. What else will happen in this connection? What else this person is thinking about our viewers? Okay, the world. Number 29. Yeah, this person feels like, lost without you. They want you back. You are like the perfect, you are their home. They want to be with you. Let's see what else. Oh my God, cards are jumping out. Rest and rejuvenate, number 19. I think this person is trying to tell you not to get anxious about this connection because things are going to work out. Just stay relaxed. And they are also trying to connect with their spirituality or healing, fitness, healing, fitness. 41. 7 chakra, Archangel Uriel. Yeah, this is a very telepathic connection. They know that you are an angel that can hear them. This, you know things which they also know. But I think this is a very telepathic connection. You might be twin flames or very strong, soulmates. So they feel very connected to you, like mind, body, and soul. Anything else? Ooh, patience. Again, see, rest. First time this told you rest. Have some patience in this connection. Have some patience with this person. Again, patience, number 16. Divine timing is at work, You should give them some time. I know if it's your free will, if you don't want to give them time, that's okay. But see, contract. There is a spiritual contract between you and this person. Things are happening under the divine plan, under the divine order. Also, probably they are busy at work. That's the reason they are not talking with you or in separation, because they have a contract. At work, they are busy. Maybe they are, very busy at work, or they are in some another country and you can't meet right now. But it's all part of the plan. So let's see what is the advice for our viewers for this connection. Emotions are running high, super moon. So, yeah, things are about to get exciting in this connection. So, you should keep your heart and mind open. Your person, you feel a lot about your person, and currently, you need to balance your emotions and wait a little. Your person also feels the same way about you, but give them some time. Give this connection some time. Let's see some romance angels. Worth waiting for. Ooh, divine timing is at work in your love life. So, wow, friends, this is beautiful. Yeah, this connection is worth waiting for if you want to. There's always a free will, friends. I do feel your person is trying to gather the confidence and be more clear, more expressive towards you, and it's going to need some time, but once they are ready, things will really get passionate in this connection, because you guys make good friends. Look at that. You guys make good friends, best friends. I understand that a friend in my life is for a reason. So yeah, let's see what they want to say to you. Option number one, what their person want to say to them. It's so quiet today. Can you feel it? I can hear my own voice echoing back to me. That's why I'm trying to be a little, less louder. Let's see, friends. Lots of cards came out. Obviously, because they haven't talked to you in a while. Oh my god, that's a lot. Let's take it. Sometimes I want to call you, but something is holding me back. See, I told you this, friends. They are holding themselves back. They are like, yes, I want to call, but then they are like, no, no, no. They get scared, or they think too much, and then they just is holding them back. How could you do this to me? Oh dear God. I don't know what you did. Maybe you said something to them, or maybe you didn't do anything. They just feel like this separation is killing them. I'm ready for uniting with you again. I look at your pictures and wonder why and how we parted ways. They look at you, yeah, they are still constantly stalking your social media. Soul contracts are working. You also have the contract card here, soul contract number 6. You trigger me and my past wounds. If I could say the truth, our love would have been intact. See, they have a lot to say. They haven't told you how they feel about you truly. This person is in love with you. I know you deserve better than me. See, self-worth issues. They feel like they are not your equal. You are too good to be true. I keep dreaming about you. Wow, the moon card. I told you they are stuck. They are hypnotized by you. Universe is aligning our union. Yeah, patience. Worth waiting for. I really wish I can be with you. I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm getting signs which are guiding me back to you. See, so this is a very spiritually guided connection, friends. Don't lose hope. Live your life. If you wanna, wait for them, wait. Otherwise, you can live and enjoy your life. I'm running away from your love. Your beauty blinds me. I can't think clearly now. Yeah, they find you very passionate, very like this king or queen of wands. Very passionate, very exciting. I still stalk your social media. Ooh, alert, friends. I can feel your pain. Please smile for me. Yeah, you're angry with this person, aren't you? They know that. We will meet soon. Stay ready, my love. Yeah, friends, they have told you everything they want to say to you, like get ready, stay there. I would suggest you to get a new dress or get yourself ready, because this person still loves you. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. Bye for now. So friends, if you chose option number 2, this beautiful cute owl, let us see what your message from your person, what they want to say to you, how they feel about you. This is so cute. I feel this is a very strong and powerful connection. This is this relationship, since it is about owl, this is, this relationship is teaching you and your person something. So that's the first thing I'm getting. This is your advice, this is your love message, this is your how they feel about you and this connection, what they want to do. So lots of cards here. We'll also be pulling somewhat love messages from your person. So let's see what is the message from your person. It could be any person, friends, lover, twin flame, soulmate, ex-lover, crush, anybody you can use it for. Let's see how your person is feeling. Wow, Five of Cups. This person is missing you, friends. They are desperately missing you. They feel guilty, they feel sad, and I also feel your person is feeling, how do I say, heartache. They are feeling a lot of heartache. This person is missing you. This distance is killing them. And it is a long distance relationship, or maybe you haven't talked with this person. Like, it is a long distance and a no contact situation. So this person is like, oh God, they can't deal with it. They regret whatever happened. Now they are missing you. They are crying for you. And they feel like you will not forget them, or you will not forgive them for whatever happened. Somewhere this person is like, they messed up so badly that they can't fix it. That's how they feel, your person. Judgment, yeah, they are feeling the, you know if they did something to you, left you, put you in a third party, if I think you told this person some harsh truths, or this person is learning some harsh truths about their life, or about this connection, or about themselves. Like, maybe they feel like tested, they feel like life is testing them, punishing them. This is like karma coming back to them. If they feel like you're gonna judge them now. If they come back, it is too late now. They also could be in USA, UK, or some other country, Europe or Russia or any other country. I feel they are in some other country, or some other country is related to this connection. They are looking for a miracle now. They don't know. They feel so hopeless that, they are looking up at the sky and asking for hope, for resolutions. Also, if they choose somebody else, they are really sorry. They know they've messed up. They know it. They messed up big time. And they are feeling the punishment of it. Hanged man. Yeah, they feel stuck. They feel stuck. This person is like, if they feel very stuck in, in a situation where they can't come towards you. Like, they are doing a job, they are not happy, but that job is keeping you and them away. Or they are unhappy in a marriage or a past relationship, but they can't change it. Or your family, their family is not letting them come towards you. They feel very stuck, they feel stuck, they feel powerlessness, they feel like they can't shift this situation. They also feel like, our viewers will not accept them back somehow because of what they did. So they are trying to, understand. They are feeling a bit powerless. Like, they can't change anything. So they are like, they don't know what to do. They feel pulled into different directions. They want to be with you, but they can't change their current situation. Four of Wands. Yeah, this person wants to marry you. Marriage is important to them. Marriage is important, or a problem in this connection. Like, they want to marry you, but because of religion, culture, or different age groups, or because it is a same sex relationship, you can't easily marry with each other. Or you both are already married, so that is a problem. Or they have married someone else, but now they are stuck. Now they realize it is a stuck situation, they can't change it, and they are not happy. Also, this is your twin flame. They are now realizing that this is a twin flame connection, and they feel scared. They feel like, oh my God, what was it? Queen of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel, friends, this person, your person is like, they want to value you, they want to marry you, they see the future potential in you, the husband and wife, the future. They see you are the ideal person for them, and they dream about you wearing the bride outfit or the wedding outfit. And they are like, what can I do? How do I achieve this now? The Fool, this person wants a new start with you. They often dream about it. They keep thinking about it. It's their favorite fantasy. You can check out that reading. What is their fantasy about you? What do they think about you or dream about you? I think it will help you. This person is dreaming a lot about you. And they keep seeing how it will be to marry you, to make love to you, take you on your first date or something, on your wedding day, how things will be. And they keep looking about you and thinking about you. The transformation, yeah, see so many major arcanas, one, two, three, four. They want to change their situation. I feel you are in no contact with this person because both of you are married or one of you is married. I also feel that this relationship is stuck because of this marriage, or because of this, whatever happened. Maybe you guys are not talking at all with each other. It's like it's been a long, long time, 5 years, 10 years, 6 years. But this person wants to change it. They want to come back, they want a new start with you. They just don't want to be away from you, they want to be with you. Magician, yes, this person is trying to manifest you back in their life. They are trying to understand this connection, and they are gaining a lot of insights about this connection, who you are. Maybe they have realized you are a soulmate, a twin flame, you are very powerful. This connection is very powerful. They are trying to manifest you back. Lot is happening. The sun. Yeah, this person is definitely your divine masculine or feminine, and they want to come back. They want to come back to you. I also feel, friends, that this person is like, they feel they feel us, when they think about you, they feel happy, and they want the happy times back with you, the sun to shine again, the happiness to return in this connection. And also, I feel like children are affecting this connection. They want to have a child with you, or maybe they have a child with somebody, so that is their problem. Or you are married, that is their problem. They want to have, freedom with you, success with you, happiness with you. The Two of Wands, they want to be this mature person for you. I think this person was really stupid in the past or arrogant. Now they are, sorry friends, now they are learning to be mature, to be more balanced, to be more stable. I think they are learning a lot now, because you chose owl, and it means they are learning something. This person is growing a lot, friends. Let's see. So how this, what do they feel, what will happen next in this, connection? What do they feel about your relationship? Humor. Wow, I choose to focus on the lighter side of life. Wow. And the laughing Buddha. Maybe the laughing Buddha is important for some of you as a lucky charm, or maybe you call you call this person the Buddha or something, lovingly. They feel like, laughter can make things better if you both can take things a bit lightly, like the children do. If you can both go, enjoy some happy dates again, things will get back to normal. They want to bring some lighter energies. They know things are getting too dense here, too tough, too heavy. They want to lighten, make things better, lighten your life like the sun. Growth. I want to expand my consciousness and my awareness. Ooh, friends, this person, wow, they are growing, friends. They are growing spiritually, emotionally, and mentally. Even if they are in another connection, or in no contact, or in separation with you, this person is growing, friends, and this connection is still there. This relationship with you is also growing. Let's see what actions they will take towards you. Round and round, number 25. I feel this person is like, they keep they want to end the past situation. They also want you to they also want you to focus on, being less judgmental, because they keep, otherwise this, you're stuck in a cycle where you both like and does like each other. You come and you go, they come, they go. But you need to stay, forgive them for the past. They also need to fix and change some things in their life. Soulmate, yeah, they know you are their soulmate. This person's awareness is growing, friends. They are changing. They have realized you are the soulmate, you are the twin flame. Let's see some other messages and then we're gonna look at the advice. And sorry if I have sound a bit nasal. I have a bit of cold. Very cold here. So, oh wow, a man holding a coin. Wow, they are still watching you, friends. They still have a lot to offer you. They want to be this, king or this queen for you. And also, friends, this person, they are trying to tell you something. Like if you are focusing too much on the negatives, they want you to focus on the positive side of this connection. They also want to see they are a good person. They are not a playboy or a Casanova. Maybe some of you are like, this person is arrogant, they are a Casanova, a playboy. They want you to value. They want to value them, and they want to show you how much their integrity, that their intentions are good, due to romance. They want to offer you love, absolutely, marriage, commitment. And this person can never stop loving you, that's for sure. Sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron. I do feel they get a lot of signs about you and this connection. There are a lot of signs, divine signs, repeating numbers, songs. So that's what is happening. Broken heart. Yeah, they want to heal your heart, friends. They know that they have broken your heart and they want to fix it. And they want to tell you that they are not a playboy. They are not someone who's a trickster. No, they really value you. That's what they want to tell you. Let's see some advice for you. Confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. Yeah, friends, I think some of you have, this relationship has caused you to feel like less confident in yourself. Maybe it affected your self confidence, your self esteem. So believe in yourself. Don't, no, your happiness and your confidence should not depend on your relationships. Be bold. Don't worry. You are amazing. They love you. That's for sure. Let's see your romance angels. Free yourself. It is time to take back control of your life. So yeah, for some of you this is the time to, maybe this is your twin flame or this is a soulmate you need to separate right now from, because in the future you both are going to meet. Or don't focus too much on the negatives of the past. Free yourself from the past so that you can restart something better with this person. Let's see some love messages, what they want to tell you. What this person want to say to our viewers, pile number 2. I think this person got married, and that's, or they committed marriage but they never married you, so you are like upset. But don't let it hurt you, don't let it affect your confidence. That's what they want to tell you. A man holding a coin. See your value. They are your mirror. This person is your mirror. I'm ignoring you. Oh my god. Oh god. If you message them, they are like, nope, I'm not gonna reply because I need to ignore them. They read all your messages, I feel. I'm running away from your love. Oh dear. I really wish I can be with you. Yeah, they are missing you in the first card itself. Family or karmic ties. Yeah, family is becoming a problem, or they have some other person, ex-partner or somebody. My soul, my higher self is awakening me. And we do have this card, growth. I want to expand my consciousness and my awareness. I love you, but I'm too scared of this connection. Yeah, I think you are very bold, and this person was a little hesitant to stand up for this connection or marry you. Money, career, ego, and family are, affecting this connection. X alert, yeah, I told you some third party is there. My life has no meaning without you. I miss our deep conversations, all night talks. They miss you a lot. This is a twice they are saying missing you. I get so jealous when others like you and try to win you. We will meet very soon. Keep the hopes high. Expect a miracle soon. Mirror work. Oh my god, I told you here, right? They mirror you. This person is a mirror for you. Mirror work, you mirror me back, and it scared me. Oh. We will be together in this lifetime. They want to assure you that they are working on improving themselves. So there is a chance in the future, maybe not now. So make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot friends, like and share, join us on Instagram. And if you enjoyed this reading, make sure to let me know in the comments. Bye for now. So friends, if you chose option number 3, this beautiful kitty cat, let us see what is the message from your person, how they feel about you, and also what they want to say to you. This is the kitty cat. So I feel this is, cats are, this connection with cat, it is like this person is very beautiful and very good looking, first thing I'm feeling, and also a very passionate connection, very mischievous energy with cats. Very passionate, very bold, very passionate connection. A lot of sexual chemistry is here. So let's see what's happening. This is your advice. This is your romance angels about how they feel about this connection, what they want to do. Lots of messages here. So let's see what is their message for you. Oh, 7 of Swords. This person, oh my god, this person has ghosted you. Or this person is behaving like they are very busy, they are ignoring you, they are trying to juggle a lot many things together, but they are they are acting a bit busy, like I'm busy, I don't have time, I don't have feelings, but they secretly keep watching you. It is like this person ghosted you, or they keep running away from your love, I feel. They can't live without you, but they can't, when they come near you, they want to run away. They are also watching you secretly, and also they are trying to act very busy when they are actually very free. They are tricking themselves or tricking you. They are like, hey, I'm busy, but actually they are free and they are watching you. So what else? 5 of Wands. Yeah, this person, this person is maybe there is a lot of arguments happening between you and this person. I feel your person's head and heart are in conflict. They can't decide what to do right now. A part of them is like, I want to be in this connection. The other part is their ego is like, no, I want to run away. So their mind is playing so many tricks. Also, this person is like, maybe you guys are opposites with each other, or you have a lot of common friends and family. So I see a lot of input from other people affecting this connection and your person. A lot of arguments and difference of opinion happening because of other people, external influences. I think your person says they want to fight for this connection. They are not ready to give up. They want to find a solution for what is happening, this tug of war between them, this running away. They want to fight for this connection. They don't want to fight with you. They want to fight for you, not with you. They want to fight for this connection. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or someone very passionate, very bold, very fashionable. They are also very impulsive, a bit arrogant. Aries, Leo, Sag. This person could be younger than you, or you are younger than them. Age gap is there. 3 of Wands. This person wants to expand things with you, but they are not sure how to do it. They want to take things forward with you, this connection, this relationship. They want, if you are fighting or having arguments with this person, they want to end it and move towards peace. They see the future for you and them. If long distance is becoming a problem, they want to fix it. If other people are becoming a problem, they want to fix it. They want to expand things. They want to, they see that in the future, things can be better. But they still are like, they pretend like they are very busy. The 4 of Swords. Yeah, this person is not taking any action, 3 and 4. This person is keeping you waiting because, I don't want to say it, but they are acting a bit egoistic or foolish immature. They are keeping you waiting and watching every move of yours, what you will do. I think this person likes to uh, poke you, to make you to take a reaction out of you. They ignore you, so you get mad, so you get a reaction out of you. So no, it's funny, but that's what they are doing. But also they are thinking about what they need to do next in this connection. They are thinking, they are taking a time out. Eight of Cups, maybe this person walked away from you or you walked away from them. So they are like, this isn't over yet. They are not over you. They want to fight for this connection. They want to come back towards you. And the Lovers, maybe this person has other people involved. I feel there are a lot of people involved, so you felt like this person has too many choices, but they want to tell you that you are the ultimate one for them. They may have chosen they may have chosen or made some wrong decisions in the past, but they want to make the right decisions now. They do love you, that's what they feel and want to say to you. Also, there is a lot of sexual chemistry between you and them. They are very drawn to your body, your looks. Lot of sexual chemistry in this connection. The world, they want to fill this gap between you and them. They want to travel the world with you. And if they are distant, somewhere this person feels like they are poles apart from you. They are very different. You both are very different, and that has become a problem in this connection. The King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Your person may feel like, you have other choices in life and they are very upset about it. Also, you may have a friend or a close, like you are very close to your father, mother, or a best friend, a guy friend. And this person is like, I'm super jealous. I'm super jealous. You can't have friends because I'm here. Also, this person doesn't listen to their heart. They are very arrogant. Look at that. King of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sag, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could be your person. This person is not listening to their heart. They constantly, have a struggle to listen to their ego or their heart. And they are struggling with it. And they want to tell you that the distance or the separation is not because of you. It is because this person has a split. This person has a problem in opening their heart. They are too arrogant, too egoistic at times, too foolish, too impulsive. So let's see, what do they think about the relationship? What will, how they feel about the relationship? Guilt. See? I release any beliefs that no longer assist in my soul's growth. They are guilty. I think this person might have chosen someone else, or maybe they chose work, or they ignored you and you understood it. Whatever they did, they know that they are guilty. It was, whatever this connection, whatever happened in this connection, the differences, the fight, the argument, it was because of your person's arrogance, ego, their denial. They know that. They are very guilty. And I think they are too egoistic to even confess it. So, what they want to do in this connection next? What they want to do next? Actions. Regeneration, number 46. They want to come back, restart. They want to fight for this connection. They don't want to give up. Probably now you may have chosen some other person, another partner, or you are ready to get married or something. Now this person is jealous and they want to like, nope, I see competition. I'm going to come and, steal you. That's how they feel. Soul Tribe. The 8 destined number, destiny. They definitely know you are the soul tribe. You and them are destined for. Maybe this is your twin flame or a soulmate. You both are from the same soul family. And lots of common friends or common people have affected this connection. Friends, family, colleagues, Let's see what else is happening. What else is happening in this connection, friends? For option 3, angels. Okay, thank you. Man holding a heart. Yeah, they want to open their heart to you, friends. They want to show you their love, their affection. They want to woo you. They want to date you. They want to show their affection, passion. This person doesn't want to, be this arrogant person in your memory, in your mind. They want to be this ultimate heartthrob. Community, number 7. Yeah, I think if you have common friends or colleagues, they are working with them, trying to win you back, trying to know if you are seeing another person, keeping an eye on you. Also, they are planning a date for you. So, for some of you, ooh, second chakra, Archangel Ariel, lots of sexual chemistry, lots of chemistry, friends. There is a lot of love, creativity, there is a lot of pull in this connection. You both feel very attracted to each other. You both are extremely good looking people, but also it brings a lot of self doubt, trust issues, and jealousy and possessiveness. So you have to, this person is like, I can't help feeling jealous about you because I love you and you are so amazing. How you are an angel. I feel jealous that people will steal you away. Women holding a heart. Oh my god, a couple has come. This has never happened. I'm reading from so many years that these cards don't come all together. Never ever. Trust me, you might have seen tons of readings, but they never come together, right? Look at that. Number 45, number 44. The couple is here. You both need to focus on your hearts, friends. You both need to focus on your heart. You both love each other. A woman holding a heart, a man holding a heart. You are destined lovers. Perfect. So let's see what is the advice for you in this connection. What do you need to release? The waning moon. I feel, there is a lot of difference, arguments. There is a lot of pain or trust issues in this connection. Fears. You need to work on that. You need to release that. You need to release your own ego also, or some past issues, and focus on opening the heart. So let's see your romance angels messages. Who, reconciliation, someone from your past is returning back to your life. So definitely this person is coming back. They're going to reach out to you, friends. Get ready. They may have already done so. You will get back together with them. If you want to, of course. Let's see what they want to tell you. Oh, that's a lot of cards actually. Let's just shuffle them a bit. What they want to say to our viewers, pile number 3. Pile number 3, what they want to say to our viewers. Let's see, friends. The songs are calling me and you. So yeah, you both may be creative people. You both are very creative, and your person feels a lot of creative energy towards you, passion towards you. The songs are calling. You have some important songs together. My life has no meaning without you. X alert. Yeah, they may have made some foolish choices, like they may have said, oh, I want to date another person, and that made things bad, messy. When you came into my life, everything changed. I know I was a jerk, but can you forgive me now? Yeah, they have been foolish. Time apart has healed my childhood wounds. This person has some issues with ego and power. They like to control things. We will meet very soon. Keep the hopes high. I can feel your pain. Please smile for me. Universe is aligning our union. Yeah, see, you are the perfect couple here. I'm getting signs which are guiding me back to you. Yeah, reconciliation, reaching out to you. I look at your pictures and wonder what and why we parted our ways. 7 of Swords, I'm ignoring you, but I'm watching you. Expect a miracle soon. Ooh. My heart, my soul, my higher self is awakening me. So yeah, you could be twin flames. You could be very strong soulmates. I'm tired of fighting. Yeah, there is so much fighting in this connection. I don't know why you guys fight so much. But I think it's your person's... your person is doing something to trigger you. I miss our deep conversations, all night talks. I was weak and scared then, but I am more sure now. So, yeah, this person is working on themselves. Get ready. You will hear from them soon. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye.